Hey everyone, Dale here with LittleRVrentals.com. So today we're going to be changing out a entry door lock on a RV. This is a Fun Finder unit, but it's the same for pretty much all RVs if you have one like this. The tumbler just came out on me, so we're going to replace the whole thing. It's cheaper just to replace it on Amazon. They're $45. So we're going to replace that today. What we're going to need is, we got 4 screws on the back, and then this will pop right out. We've got 2 screws right here that are Phillips and Robertson. So we're going to do that quickly, and this will be a really quick and easy job. Okay, so I've got my Phillips here. I'm going to take out these screws here first. Take the plate off. Now the new one will probably come with a new striker plate. And then off. So we got that part off, and then the mechanism, just push that in, just like that. So there's the old one. So here's the new one we'll be using. It's part number 013534, and I bought this on Amazon. Comes with 2 keys. I will put a link in the description below if you want to get one of these. Okay, so we have our new one here. Just gonna ever so slightly slide it in. There we go. That'll get it lined up for us. Okay, so we got that in there nice and tight. So this one was metal, and this new one is plastic. I'm not a big fan of that, but you can't really use the old one because the hole's smaller for the adapter for where the turn knob goes into. So we're going to have to try the plastic one. Okay, so we got her on there. Some notes to make is keep everything loose. Like keep all the screws loose. This one, and all these 4. Keep them loose and make sure that everything works. So like make sure your deadbolt moves nicely. What I did was I put the deadbolt out. I was having a little bit of difficulty with it. So I put the deadbolt out and made sure everything was moving freely. This is moving freely. And then I snugged everything back up. Now I did use the old striker plate because the new one, it just seemed to be bowed or something, or it had these little tapers and it was sticking out too far. So I just used which is no big deal. I mean, you can use the old one. At least you know it'll close in the jamb properly. So I just put the old one in and reused all new screws. I'm not a big fan of this plastic versus the metal one, but I guess we'll see how it goes. This is the way it looks on the outside. It's really nice, it's firm, and it clicks in really nice. Yeah, so it's nice and solid. And there's a foam around here, so you don't have to worry about caulking it. There's a foam all the way around, so the water won't get in. I normally always lock the bottom one. I never lock the top one. That's probably why the bottom one gave out. But and then the inside, when you're in for the night, you can lock it. So we'll see how this plastic does. I didn't over tighten it. I just snugged them up, and make sure that everything's working before you snug up the screws. That's what I found most helpful. We got our new keys. Yeah, locked. Unlocked. There we go. Works perfect. So we'll try that out and see how it works. And it does come with 2 keys, so you can have one as a spare. Again, that door lock is part number 013534, and I'll put a link in the description where I got it on Amazon.ca. Well, thanks guys for watching. Hopefully this helped you out. Please like and subscribe below. I always have interesting videos coming out because I own quite a few RVs. So yeah, check out my other videos, like and subscribe, and ciao for now guys.